Friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see the TCS MCQ questions in the topic of quantitative aptitude as well as the verbal reasoning. So the first question, which word does not belongs to the group? Option A triangle, option B rectangle, option C circle, option D cube. Okay, so triangle is the two-dimensional shape, then rectangle and circle also two-dimensional shape. Okay, so these are all two-dimensional shape, but cube is the three-dimensional shape. Okay, so this the word does not belong to the group, so the cube is the correct answer. Okay, so next thing is which will be the complete series? 15, 30, 45, 60. Okay, so the difference between 15 and 30 is 15. Here also the difference is 15. Here also the difference is 15. Okay, so after that we are adding the 60 plus 15. So we getting the 75 is the correct answer. So option B 75 is the correct answer. Okay, so the same question. Here we can take pen, write, knife, what? Okay, so here the pen is used for write and knife is used for here cut, slice, pierce, then sharpen. Okay, so here the cut is the correct answer. Okay, so next thing is train, track, boat, what? Okay, so train is travel on the track, then boat is travel on the water. Okay, so the road is not the correct answer, the harbor, sky, these are all not correct answers, so the water is the correct answer. Okay, so next thing is choose the antonym or fragile. So the fragile is the one, it's a very weakest one, it's a breakable. Okay, brittle, it's a breakable, then delicate, strong and weak. Okay, so here the fragile is the breakable one, so strong is the current antonym. Okay, so it's an opposite word. Next thing is which word does not belongs to the group? Apple, banana, mango, tomato. Okay, so these are all sweet fruits. This is the vegetables. Okay, so tomato is the correct answer. Okay, so next thing is find the missing term A1, C3, E5 and G7. Here we can take the A, B, C, D, E, F and G, then H, here is I. Okay, so next thing is 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, here is 9. So I9 is the correct answer. Here the option B, I9 is the correct answer. So next thing is if you dash harder, you will pass the exam. So here the F clause is there. So here F is the present and the future goal. Okay, so here the study is the correct answer. Okay, so the present tense is a study and for the future outcome. Okay, next thing is one who compiles the dictionaries: editor, lexicographer, publisher and a cartographer. So the lexicographer is the correct answer. Choose the synonym of the word prudent. So the prudent is the correct answer is B, option B, wise. Okay, next question, the teacher insisted that everyone does their homework on the time. So here is submit is the correct answer. It's expressing demand or suggestion. That's submit is the correct answer. The teacher insisted that everyone submit their homework on time. So these are all some important questions for round 1 TCS interview. Again, we'll see next video. Thank you.